Welcome back. I'm Suresh Machu from Machu Tattoos. So today the another important topic is, can I scratch my new tattoo or peel off my skin? So this is really a bad question for the people to ask, but when I did this itchy tattoo episode, many other people asked this question: what it happens if I scratch my tattoo? Can I scratch my tattoo? Because it's so uncontrollably scratching itchy feeling may happen. So what can I do? So in this video we are going to briefly explain what may happen for scratching a tattoo if you scratched it, and if you want to avoid that scratchiness, what and all the things you need to. I'll here to give you the tips. Let's get into the topic now. First most important thing is, if you're a person got a new tattoo for another 2 weeks, please cut your nails away. Yes, this is the most advanced bonus tips for you guys. What happens if you scratch with your nails? If it's any dirt or infections are there or germs are there in your nails, that will be passed through via your new tattoo into your blood set vessels. So that will be cause the severe infections in the longer duration ways. So you need to be very aware of it. And if you are a person unknowingly itching it, then you need to control yourself. You need to make a pause on it and just give a slap over it. That will be really helpful for you guys. I am telling you, you just give a slap, never ever scratch it. That will give you the much more better relax from the itchiness. Then the another most important question is, if you are a person scratching or peeling your new tattoo skin, what happens? Peeling skin naturally happens due to the healing process. Am I right? Yes, that's why those scabbings are happening. For example, you are a person got a tattoo, it's the small little open wound. So to heal that, our white cells are trying to make a scabbing on top of it. But if you are scratch and peeling off those scabbing, then you are damaging it. You are not allowing the skin to heal that wound properly. If you are doing that, this will be makes the tattoo lose their colors. Yes, normal wounds, it's completely different. When it comes to the tattooing, if you are removing that scabbing, there is the chances of colors will go off from that particular place. It will cause the white patch in that particular place. So that you need to clearly understand before peeling your skin and before scratching it. Why in that particular time duration of peeling off I am getting more itchiness? Why? Because under this scabbing peelingness, our immune system is creating a new skin to cover that particular place. So when it's creating a new skin, obviously people get itchiness. That time you need to control from scratching it. At the time of healing process, in between itself, you are going and scratching it away. Done. You are spoiling your tattoo and you are spoiling a skin. At the most end point, there is the chances of that part may leave a permanent scar. Yes, it may sound little scary, but it may happen if you peel your scab forcefully by yourself, but not coming naturally. Then that place will become a huge scar, keloid, that will be stay for permanent and it will not gonna give you good look. So don't scratch the tattoo. Yes, don't wear tight clothes, avoid sweating, don't get into the direct sun exposures. You just avoid it, your tattoo will not scratch. If you feel itchiness, just tap it or slap it, don't scratch it, don't die nude.